20 DIY Disney Nursery Ideas. Character prints, favorite quotes, treasured souvenirs and family photos surround a charming vintage replica Disneyland sign in this gorgeous mixed media nursery art collage wall spotted on Instagram. What little princess wouldn't adore this fully stocked Disney princess dress-up station created by clever mom and DIYer, Melissa Hatcher? Wondering what to do with all of those adorable Disney trading pins? Turn your collection into beautiful nursery art with this adorable DIY by loving life's journey. All you need is a shadow box, a cork square, some black paper, and a template of your favorite Disney character. This sweet little DIY project, featured by Style Me Pretty, is an easy way to tuck a little magic into the corners of your Disney-themed nursery. Just add glitter to a pretty pot of your choice and create a fun label. Clever and cute, this Finding Nemo Tsum display idea spotted on Instagram is as simple as they come. Have a mouse ear edition? Why not put those iconic headpieces on display with this simple DIY nursery decor spotted on Instagram? What could be cuter than Disney's little Tsum stuffies? A nursery mobile made of them. This handmade mobile, created by Brandon Cozart and featured on Imager, makes clever use of these tiny toys, crafting the beloved characters into a beautiful piece of nursery art that baby can enjoy for hours. A collection of mixed and matched buttons brings Tiana's enchanting gown to life in this adorable and easy to recreate mixed media wall art featured on Instagram. This simple Disney-inspired floral wreath, featured on Instagram, is perfect for a baby's room. Made from silk flowers and inexpensive quilting hoops, this soft and sweet DIY can be put together in under a half an hour for less than $20. On the hunt for affordable Disney-inspired wall art? Head to your local thrift store or used bookstore. Vintage golden books with Disney themes are plentiful, cheap, and make for amazing DIY art. Try framing a collection of individual pages, or cut out the original artwork and create your own masterpiece using Mod Podge. This beautiful Instagram find inspired by Disney's Up uses colorful pom-poms as balloons to create a multi-dimensional art piece that's picture perfect. These goofy Wonderland guards, created by Red Ted Art, are in need of a new queen or king and would make for darling little shelf sitters in a Disney-themed nursery full of charming detail. Dreaming of a Disney-themed nursery full of curious wonders? This Mad Hatter-inspired, DIY tea set lamp created by Vintage Revivals is a must. With a standard lamp kit, a few second-hand china pieces, and this detailed tutorial, you'll have all you need to start your own DIY Wonderland adventure. Created by Third Earth Design, this beautiful, handmade replica of the Enchanted Rose from Disney's Beauty and the Beast may not actually be enchanted, but it is certainly enchanting. This adorable DIY lantern featuring everyone's favorite Disney fairy couldn't be easier to recreate. All you need is faith, trust, and pixie dust, and this detailed tutorial by Lawrence made. Need a clever way to display Disney's Tsums? An oversized storage jar stuffed full of these furry little friends, like this one featured by Janelle Bercelli, makes for excellent shelf decor in a Disney-themed nursery. Want to make better use of vertical space? Try stuffing a shadow box frame and mounting your collection to the wall. Looking for a classy, understated way to show your love for all things Disney? This modern geometric take on Mickey ears, created by the Disney-loving mom behind Yo-Ho Disney, is as chic as it is adorable, making it the perfect fit for a modern nursery. Anyone who has ever been to Disney knows that the landscaping in the park is as magical as the rides. Want to bring a little Disney magic home to your nursery? Try this super simple and inexpensive topiary DIY by this DF Love. This one is for every little girl who ever wished she could talk woodland creatures into doing her chores. These feathery friends, modeled after Cinderella's helpful crew, may not be the real deal, but this incredibly sweet crib canopy may just be the next best thing. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.